Hello and welcome back to Jim Builds. I'm Jim and we are sat in the Cortina. Since having the car running, I've been really happy. The next thing I need to do is start making the interior look more car-like. Currently I'm sat on a chair that's not bolted down, I've got no carpets, and we need to do something about that. So, before we put any stuff in, I need to make sure this car is watertight and the doors are going to drain water properly. So we're going to take her out and give her a bit of a spraying down. Firstly, I'm going to spray some water on the seals, on the doors and the windows, just to check that nothing's coming in. And then I'm going to take a watering can, I'm going to pour it through the door and check that the drainage works. And then I'm going to dry it all off, and then I will know whether everything's sealed the way it should be. With it being an old Ford though, there is going to be some leakage, but I'm going to try and mitigate that. So please join me. If you haven't already, please subscribe and let's go on with it. Keep going. Oh, they're going to be terrible. You can stop. Can you start doing the boot, please? Well, that is good. Get nothing in there. Oh, there, okay. So you see, it's coming in here, and that is because it's underneath, but there's nothing to stop it from draining into the car. Can you do the front door, please? Oh, fuck! Yeah, operator error on that one. They're all dry. Alright, you can stop now. I'm not going to pay you. So I've given the doors a couple of days to dry out from the water test, the drainage test. And before I put the plastic membrane on, I'm going to give it a quick run through with some more wax, but I'm going to brush it, so that way I can make sure I can really get into the areas. Just to be belts and braces on this one. Let's be honest, it doesn't take much to make a Ford rust. So I better go on. So next up is sheeting the door. Now it's all waxed, and this is what I'm going to use. It's clear plastic. It's used for well, this is for like a survival kit, but basically any thin plastic sheet will do. So I will cut this to shape and mask it up and use the Bostik impact glue. Same stuff that I used for the headlining a couple of months ago, and get these glued on. So now all 4 doors are sealed, and we know that the windscreen seal, rear screen and the boot seal are all watertight. I can now make a start on doing the interior, which is exciting. So I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really do appreciate that, and everyone who has already subscribed. Drop me a like if you like it, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.